Stephen Tanner with his DLG.
Ready?
He wanted to fly just one more flight. And it's off. It's really hard to keep it in the camera, in the viewfinder, but I'm trying. There it comes. And no, yes! He did it!
I hit some sink out there and it just started dropping, so I decided to just kind of bring it back. And then I overshot the approach on the landing, so I had to catch it pretty high. I didn't want to run into the mini quad racing.
Well, it was quite spectacular how high and how far away it went.
Yeah, thanks. It's flying pretty well today. I'm looking forward to getting some more hours with it.
And what is the brand of that one?
This is the Epee DLG.
Okay. That's just in case somebody asks.
Yeah.